such a beautiful design, don't you think? Because I went to art school, and that's how you get all these beautiful dresses made. Now allow me to tell you why we have to do this, because I need to be pretty at the gala. Oh no, please do not get cat hair on my fabric. Get up. If you'd like to help, you can start off by holding some of my equipment. There, hold those for me. It's just some pins, do not bite too hard. And while you're holding that, hold these for me too. I'm gonna need a lot of help. Now please do not drop the string, I just need to get this stitching right. If only cats could talk. Rarity, be quiet. She's focusing on her dress. Oh, what are you making? It looks interesting. Is it for a party? Okay, how can I help both of you? Well, I had this dress that I needed to be fixed for the gala. Here. That's it, I just need the button fixed. Oh, you interrupted my work for this? Yeah, I can't believe you want to wear this to the gala. How about I just make you a new dress? Like, it's okay. It'll be free. I can do it. I'm not busy. You really want to remake the dress or something? I don't need all that. This is fine. Like, I'm pretty sure you're busy. Well, trust me, this is going to be worth it because I cannot let you wear that. No. I got this. Just let me fix it. Well, that's very kind of you, even though I know you have an interesting taste in fashion. Anyways, that's it. I just needed that help. What are you going to be wearing to the gala? I should expect something bad. Me? I'm just going to be wearing my work uniform. That's it. I should have expected this, Applejack. What makes you think you could wear that to the gala? I don't know. Well, you certainly need to know. How about I just make you a new dress too? Well, a new dress to the gala would be nice, but I don't go big and fancy like you do. I'm old. We'll leave it up. What is that noise? Rainbow Dash! My bad. I had to just crash in a bit. Sorry about all your fancy fabrics and stuff too. No, wait. I just have an idea for you too. I'm gonna make you a dress, Rainbow Dash. Is she talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you, Rainbow Dash. Like, all of you. You. All of you need a dress. I'm gonna make everyone a dress for the gala. Because y'all certainly have no style. I can't wait to see what you have in mind, Rarity. As always. Oh, everybody can't wait to see what I have in mind. Because, you know, I'm the best fashion designer everywhere. I don't even know what to say. Well, all of you get out. I'm gonna work in peace. I got the biggest ideas. Now that I think about it, I'm excited, but aren't you going to be making dresses for 6 ponies? That's going to be a lot of work, including your own dress, because you always like to go big. Yeah, I've done this for years. Stop being dramatic.
Thread by thread, stitching it together. Twilight's dress, cutting out the pattern snip by snip, making sure the fabric folds nicely. It's the perfect color and so hip. Always got to keep in mind my pacing, making sure the clothes correctly facing. I'm stitching Twilight's dress. Yard by yard, fussing on the details. Jewel neckline. Don't you know stitching time saves 9? Make her something perfect to inspire. Even though she hates formal attire, gotta mind those intimate details. Even though she's more concerned with sales, it's Applejack's new dress. Dressmaking's easy. For Pinkie Pie, something pink. Fluttershy, something breezy. Blend color and form. Do you think it looks cheesy? Something brash, perhaps quite fetching. Hook and eye, couldn't you just simply dive? Making sure it fits for lock and crest. Don't forget some magic in the dress. Even though it rides high on the flank, Rainbow won't look like a tank. I'm stitching Rainbow's dress. Piece by by piece, snip by snip, croup, duck, haunch, shoulders, hip, thread by thread, primmed and pressed, yard by yard, never stressed, and that's the art of the dress.
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. You're almost there. Okay, you can look. Well then, what do you think of them? Well, they are something. Yeah, very something. Yeah, yeah, they're very nice. Yeah, see what I said. Yeah, the client is very pretty. Yeah, they're nice. Maybe to be honest with me, we don't like the dresses. We love them so much. Yeah, we know we have terrible fashion choices. We do great. Don't look at me like that. Okay, we'll be honest. We don't like them. Well, is there anything else I can do then? Like, we can go on your ideas and we can figure out what you like. I know I can do. I can do anything. Just please don't show up to the gala in your terrible outfits. Well, mine isn't that bad. I just want a few readjustments. Well then, this should be easy. Let's just start off some fabric and make the base. Make the base? I don't know how to do that. Well, that's okay because I'm the one sewing everything together. You just tell me what you want. This is very nice of you, Rarity. Thank you. So what about all of my hard work? Rarity, I'm ready for my dress now. Let's do it. Oh, perfect, Fluttershy. Okay, just come over here with me. You're going to stand over there at that mirror and we're going to work it out. Well, what do you think? It's, perfect. No, tell me the truth. Don't lie. It's telling you it's perfect. I just wish there was more. More? Yeah, like what? Just tell me. Like a bird's nest? You for real? Yes. Oh, you can't be serious. Yes, I'm serious. Well, what else do you want? It's not that much. Not that much. Yes, it's, tell me. Yes, just tell me what it is. Just tell me now. Just a few things. I would really like something like different shoes. I want the dress to have some polka dots on it. I want flower petals around the neck. I want a bird's nest on my head with like a few eggs and a few flowers sticking out of the nest. Okay, I know it sounds a little bit weird, but just try it for me, please. I want my dress to look night themed. I want it to look like you're looking out of a telescope. Not too much. Oh, well, that is certainly interesting. I can do that. Well, think I got this. Like, it's not too hard. Now, Pinky, you know that you have to look at the color in the light to actually look at it. Ugh, I can't believe this. So stressful. Well, you did say you wanted to do this for us, right? Yes. Now do it. Okay. We got stitching and stitching. These colors together don't look that bad, I guess. Okay, Fluttershy, hold still. Trying to get these measurements right. And Rainbow Dash, tell me what you want. Now, Applejack. You sure you don't like it? Can I possibly have this stitched in on the side? Is it possible to get some of the details from this on my dress? I like mine just a bit oversized. Alright, balloons. Never mind. The candies. Never mind. I like them both really. Make up your mind. Whose dress is this again? His Pinky's dress. Well, do you see something specific you want? Well, I really wanted 20% cooler. What is 20% cooler? Like 20% cooler? Well, describe it. Well, I want a helmet instead of a hat with a bit of gold on it, more rainbows, and that's it. Oh, I want this and I want that. I just need a little. I like a lot. I want it oversized. Can you please do it for us? Okay, you guys need to make up your mind. Like, what do you want? You say this, you say that, you say too much. I'm so tired. I've been helping everyone else with their own dresses. I haven't even started on my own. And these things are going to be looking at me. Okay, we done everything you all wanted. So let's just take a look at them. These are so perfect. We wanted these. Okay. You did awesome. Oh, we love these. Do you like them? Well, I guess if you happy with them, I'm happy with them. Anyways, go ahead and put them on and see if you like them. Huh? Oh, I'm tired in another episode. But hey, they're waiting for you outside. Wait, who's waiting for us outside? We don't know. Yeah, Rarity has a fashion show that she wants to do, and everybody she invited is outside waiting for her. So yeah, get ready. Waiting for you. Wait, for her or us? Wait, you tell us about this. Oh, didn't you all get the letters I sent saying there was a fashion show I was hosting? Letters? We didn't get any letters. What are you talking about? Oh, my. There he is. I'm not even ready. My friends. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Let's hope this goes well. I'm pretty sure they won't talk too bad. Yeah, they will. Oh, okay. I gotta go. Okay. Go back.
Overdid it?
Nah. Okay, maybe a little.
I thought I came to a fashion show, not no mismatch sock party. I can't believe this. I could have been at home, sleeping in my comfortable bed in my matching pajama set. But no, I had to come here to this waste of time to see all these hideous, ridiculous, who made these outfits. My embarrassed. Come on now, Rarity. Let them see who did it. You worked hard for this. Yes, let's clap for Rarity. She did so well. Yes. Why isn't the crowd cheering? Why aren't they clapping? Spike. We should have went with her idea. She worked hard for this. We actually look bad. You go. Rarity, are you home? We're sorry about what happened. Go away. I had my one chance with that man who was known for good fashion, and now my chances are ruined, and I don't think I'll ever get another one. My dreams are ruined, okay? There is no way we can fix this, huh? How about we just come back? Please shut up. You know you have terrible ideas. I just want to sit in my bed and cry. Like, I want ice cream. Where's the ice cream? No, actually, I think I want tea. No, do I want ice cream? No, I want tea. I'm so stressed I can't even make up my mind on what I want to eat or drink. You see how bad this is? I can't believe this. I think we can cook, right? And I don't think she wants food, Twilight. I think she wants her fashion show fixed. We need to fix her fashion show right now. How are we gonna do that? It's too late. No, we have never been too late. But Twilight... Now I have a fashion idea. Okay, I can just brush my hair, cook something, clean up, do some more dresses. I don't think I have anything to do, or maybe I do, but I never forget anything. It's just been stressful for me lately. I might have forgot something. And what is that noise? Oh, what? How the hell did you get up there? Oh my. Okay, I think I can call some help for you. I'm going. Huh? Rainbow Dash! What are you doing with my cat? Put her down! Now! Well, not until you see this over here. Look. You actually finished my dress? We're really sorry for ruining your fashion show, Rarity. So we followed all your advice and we finished your dress. Yeah. We also didn't know exactly how to do it like you, so I'll get it done by Sapphire Shores. Oh man. I'm just playing. You did great. Really? This was really nice of you all, really. And this was a big help. Very. I'm so glad you love it, Rarity. Yeah, we're sorry for how we did you. Especially with the crowd and stuff. That was really bad. Bad? That was terrible. We tried to talk to the dude who was hosting the fashion show, but he was really rude, and I don't know if you want to work with someone like that, right? Of course I wouldn't want to work with someone like that. Now that we got your dress done and all that, what do you plan to do? I plan to take a hot shower. Now. Okay, and that's it? Really? Well, before you do that, look. Miss Rarity, let's talk when you're doing better. Well, while your cat here is being rude to my hair, let's see what you have to show.
Hello. Well, this can't be the same designer. Simply magnificent! And I suddenly have a fierce craving for some Dutch apple pie, candied apples on a stick, apple turnovers, apple cobbler. Brilliant! Oh, spectacular! Now this is a fashion show! Oh, these dresses are absolutely amazing! Who is responsible? Step forward, show yourself!
Now this is what I want to see the first time. Amazing. Well, I didn't do this on my own. My friends here helped me. They were amazing. Alright, here's the part we write a message to the princess, and I got one for Princess Celestia. Dear Princess Celestia, today I learned that you cannot always trust what your friend says or trust the things that they like. Like, especially when it comes to your job that I almost lost because of them. And that is really all I'm going to say. And this is from Rarity. Go ahead, Spike. Send it. Well, Rarity, you have done amazing work today, and I love the art that you put into your dresses. I will you stop by and come do more of these for us. Promise. Oh my. I was thinking that you could maybe do 20 dresses. 20? Oh my. Hi everyone. I'm here and I wanted to say sorry about a few things, and I want to say a few more things, including updates. So about my Little Pony overs, I haven't done those in a year, and I'm very sorry about that. And the reason why I haven't been doing those is because, one, if you have seen 2 posts, you'll see that I have been doing truck driving. I'm not the one driving, my mom is in the passenger seat with her, and we went to 24 states in the U.S. And then I've been doing school. I had a masquerade ball, I had prom, and we're currently to move right now. So that's gonna be more work. And another thing is, I've been posting on TikTok more. I wanted to get into Minecraft, and Bloxburg hasn't been doing any updates, so it's mostly going to be Minecraft. And once I move, I want to do a channel for Minecraft videos. So if you're interested in that, I know when it's going to start. And yeah. Lastly, one more thing is, I'm sorry about all the noise in my background. That my videos will not come out perfect because I do not live in a quiet area. Here is loud, including vehicles. So I'm very sorry. And that is it. I still, do videos like this. And yeah. So I'm very happy to be back. And I'm going to see what other episodes of My Little Pony I want to voice over. Anyways, that is it. Love y'all. Later.